today. An angel has a bright message just for you and your family. The angel promises wonderful things are coming your way soon. Imagine getting help when you least expect it, finding a new opportunity, or figuring out the perfect solution to a problem. These surprises are ways the angel shows care and presence in your life. Is there healing needed for you or someone close? The angel is here to help with that too. Healing might not happen overnight, but the angel is patient and knows exactly what you need. You can be sure the angel is working hard to make things better. Feel at peace knowing the angel is actively bringing comfort and healing into your life. Even the toughest times will get easier, and your family will receive many blessings. Whatever needs fixing will be fixed. Keep your hope strong and remember, the angel is always with you. And guess what? There's even more exciting news from the angel. It's like the angel is cheering, "Congratulations. Get ready for great things." This means a big positive change is just around the corner, a change that will transform your life in the best ways. Your hard work and dedication are about to bring you success. You're about to rise to new heights. Have you been working hard, hoping for a chance to show what you can do? The angel says now is your moment. The whole world is about to notice your talents, your creativity, and all the special things about you. You're going to be in the spotlight soon and get the recognition you deserve. People will see you in a new, appreciative way. Everything that makes you unique is about to glow even brighter. The angel has some thrilling news for you. The breakthrough you're about to experience isn't just a step forward, it's a giant leap. Soon, you will find yourself rising to a position of greater importance, standing taller and more confident than ever before. This significant change is poised to bring a wave of joy into your life, making you feel light and liberated, as though a refreshing breeze has swept through on a warm, sunny day. Success will unlock new doors for you, offering opportunities to chase your dreams and enjoy a life of comfort and happiness. The angel assures you that this remarkable change will have a positive impact, not just on you, but also on your home life. If there have been hard times, you will start to see these difficulties ease. Your family will be filled with pride and grow closer through your achievements. They'll be right there, cheering you on and celebrating each milestone as you reach new heights and accomplish even more. There's also fantastic news for your love life. If you are in a relationship, this upcoming success will deepen the bond between you and your partner. You'll find yourselves spending more quality time together, making lasting memories that bring even more laughter and joy into your relationship. If you're single, keep your heart open, because this might be the time you meet someone truly special. This person will appreciate and cherish you for who you are, eager to be part of your exciting journey ahead. It could be the beginning of a wonderful new relationship that brings companionship and love into your life. As these changes enhance your personal life, they will also bring harmony and happiness into your family dynamics. Any previous tensions will begin to dissolve, replaced by a supportive and loving atmosphere. Your home will become a sanctuary of peace and joy, where every family member feels uplifted and encouraged. Moreover, this success will not only improve your relationships, but will also give you a chance to focus on personal growth. You'll have the time and resources to explore new hobbies, learn new skills, and even travel to places you've dreamed of visiting. Each new experience will enrich your life, bringing you a sense of fulfillment and excitement. Remember, All this positivity stems from your hard work and perseverance. The success you're about to enjoy is well deserved. As you navigate through these exciting times, stay humble and grounded. Keep your values in mind and let them guide you. They have brought you this far and will continue to lead you as you explore these new chapters of your life. As you embrace this time of growth and new possibilities, the angel reminds you to maintain a spirit of gratitude. Be thankful for each blessing, big or small, and share your joy and abundance with others. This attitude of gratitude will attract even more positivity and blessings into your life. In conclusion, the angel is watching over you, sending blessings and encouragement your way. You are urged to embrace these changes with an open heart and a joyful spirit. Remember, this success is not just about good fortune, it's a reflection of your dedication, resilience, and belief in yourself. You've worked hard to reach this point, and now it's time to enjoy the rewards. Celebrate your achievements, cherish your loved ones, and look forward to the wonderful experiences yet to come. Type Amen to claim the angel's blessings and affirm your readiness to receive all the good that is coming your way. Also, if you're single, something truly exciting could be just around the corner. You might meet someone incredibly special. This person will cherish you for who you are and will be excited to join you on your amazing journey. Imagine meeting someone who understands and supports your dreams that could soon be your reality. A significant change you'll soon experience will feel like a breath of fresh air, bringing you more freedom and peace than ever before. The worries that used to fill your mind will begin to fade away. With your newfound success, you'll find you have more room to focus on personal care. This could mean trying a new exercise routine that gets you excited about moving, choosing healthier foods that make you feel good, or simply taking time to relax and enjoy peaceful moments that rejuvenate your spirit. As you embark on this new chapter, the angel reminds you to stay grounded. Success is incredibly exciting, but it's vital to remember who you are and hold on to your core values. These values have shaped you and will keep you steady as you navigate your new successes. Stay humble and filled with gratitude for every good thing that comes your way. This success is not the final goal, it's just the start of even more wonderful achievements ahead. Continue to set new goals, dream big dreams, and believe deeply in your own abilities. The angel is with you at every step, offering guidance towards even more happiness and accomplishments. The angel is sending these blessings your way to encourage you to open your heart wide to all these fantastic changes. Remember, this success isn't just a stroke of luck. It's the result of your hard work, your relentless persistence, and your deep belief in your potential. You've put in the effort, and now it's time to enjoy the fruits of your labor. Embrace the excitement of meeting new people and forming new relationships that enrich your life. As you meet someone new, you'll discover joy in sharing your experiences and growing together. This connection could lead to profound companionship and shared happiness. As you enjoy this personal growth and success, take the opportunity to explore new hobbies or revisit old ones that bring you joy. Whether it's painting, writing, hiking, or learning to play an instrument, these activities can provide a satisfying outlet for your creativity and energy. Additionally, this is a perfect time to connect more deeply with friends and family. Your success can be a beacon of inspiration to them, and their support can be a source of strength to you. Celebrate these relationships and the role they play in your life. Lastly, as you move forward, remember to give back. Sharing your success by helping others not only brings joy to those around you, but also enriches your own life. Whether it's volunteering, mentoring, or simply being there for someone in need, these acts of kindness highlight the best parts of achieving success. Type Amen to affirm your readiness to receive all these blessings and to claim the angel's encouragement. Open your heart to this wonderful phase of your life, filled with promise and potential. You deserve every good thing coming your way. My dear viewers, show your support by giving super thanks up to $20.